Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Julius Abure, the embattled factional chairman of Labour Party, if he loves this political party and wish the country well, he ought to step aside by now, as the Independent National Electoral Commission has once again confirmed that he is no longer the national chairman of Labour Party. Will he listen to the voice of reason and step aside? Because his continued insistence that he remains the national chairman of Labour Party is causing irreparable damage to that party and those who want to contest the election under this platform, especially off-season elections. This is really troubling, but INEC has made it clear that they do not recognize him as the national chairman of Labour Party. What else does he want? INEC, the body that determines who to participate in election or not in the country, that supervises registered political parties in Nigeria, said, we do not recognize you as the national chairman of the Labour Party. So why are you clinging on that seat? Why are you insisting you must be there? And you still want us to believe, want Nigerians to believe, that you are doing it in the best interest of Nigerians and Labour Party. Because it is really troubling when people don't want to leave the stage when the ovation is highest. And the consequences are there in history for those who want to leave when the ovation is highest, who want to cling on their seats as indispensable. They end up ruining everything, every positivities that they had earlier brought in the system. Now, INEC has made it clear that Abure is not recognized as national chairman of any political party in Nigeria, including Labour Party. So why this desperation to remain there? Because this desperation can only mean one thing, that Abure wants Labour Party to sink with his ambition. Because as his ambition as national chairman of Labour Party is sinking, he wants his own, Labour Party to sink with it, which is really very dangerous, which is unacceptable to a lot of Nigerians. It is unacceptable to a lot of Nigerians. To prove that the game is up for Abure, the Independent National Electoral Commission has asked the Federal High Court in Abuja to dismiss a suit filed by the Labour Party faction led by Abure, challenging the exclusion of the party from a refresher training organized by the Commission for uploading party agents in the upcoming Ondo State governorship election. In a counter affidavit deposed by Ayuba Mohammed, an executive officer in INEC's Litigation and Prosecution Department, in suit number FHC/ABJ/CS/12 1271/2024, the electoral body maintained that based on its record, Julius Abure's tenure as the national chairman of the Labour Party, along with the party's National Executive Committee, expired in June 2024. INEC claimed that he did not monitor, participate in, or recognize the purported National Convention of the Labour Party held on March 27, 2024 in Anambra State, where Abure claimed to have been re-elected. The commission argued that the convention was conducted in breach of the Nigerian Constitution, the Electoral Act 2022, INEC's regulations and guidelines for political parties 2022, and the Labour Party's Constitution 2019. Citing its regulations, INEC stated it only deals with valid and subsisting national chairmen and secretaries by political parties in issuing notices and correspondence. And the INEC said, as of August 16, 2024, when the refresher training notice was issued, the commission asserted that the Labour Party had no valid national chairman or secretary, as their tenure had elapsed in June 2024. Now, that is the clearest indication for Abure to throw in the towel and know that his time is up. INEC does not know that he exists as national chairman, and I don't think there's anything will change it. Even if you like, let him continue until he get to the Supreme Court. The only thing he will succeed in doing is destroying Labour Party as we know it. We know that Labour Party was not really a party of reckoning until Peter Obi went there. No matter what anybody tells you, Labour Party was not a party of reckoning until Peter Obi went there. That is the gospel truth. Even the pretenders who want us to believe now that Labour Party had always been a party with much regards in Nigeria, it is not true. Labour Party had always been there, like many other portfolio parties. The only thing is that over the years, when Olusegun Mimiko used the party to become governor, he brought it to the limelight. But nobody had put it in the pedestal that it is today more than Peter Obi. That's the truth. Because if you look at Labour Party, in 2011, it didn't present any presidential candidates. Instead, it issued a statement endorsing Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, the presidential candidate of the PDP at the time. He repeated the same thing again in 2015. It also failed to present a presidential candidate. He said that his candidate is Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. It endorsed Goodluck Ebele Jonathan in 2015. So it was only in 2019 that he presented a presidential candidate, Mohammed Usman. And in that 2019, it was a disastrous outing for the party. That is for sure. It was a disastrous outing for the party. So that shows that, and the party got only, Mohammed Usman got only 5,074 votes nationwide, compared to Peter Obi, what Peter Obi did with that party. Peter Obi's performance in the 2023 presidential election and the successes that Labour Party achieved under him because of his name is unprecedented. And there are many who believe in this country, majority of Nigerians who are reasonable, who believe strongly that the election of 2023 was rigged, and the person who suffered most was Peter Obi. because they believe that he was cruising to victory and the election was allegedly rigged against him. So you can imagine the level that Peter Obi took Labour Party to. So that is a party that holds a lot of promise. It is because of that promise the party holds, because of Peter Obi, whether we like it or not, whether detractors of Peter Obi like it or not, they should ask themselves, why is it that since Bola Ahmed Tinubu had been sworn in as president, he has marshaled out some of the topmost critics in Nigeria targeted at Peter Obi, the person who supposedly came third? Why are they particular about demonizing and demarketing Peter Obi? Why is the best of their arsenal of attack were reserved for Peter Obi, the person who INEC said came third? That's an indication of what he did in 2023 and what he can do in 2027. Julius Abure, if he loves this country, ought to step aside to bring sanity in Labour Party so that Labour Party could be in a position to reclaim power back from the APC. If not, he will be among those who enabled this suffering that Nigerians are passing through, taking it up to 2031. And that will be a sad record on his own part, that he had an opportunity to stand on the side of truth, to stand on the side of genuine democracy, genuine change, and not the kind of fake change that APC brought to this country. Genuine change. And he aligned with APC to destroy Labour Party. History will not be kind to him. That's my take on Abure's continuous insistence that he is the national chairman of Labour Party. I don't know what is your position. Whatever is your position, let us know at the comment box or the commentary section what you think about Abure's insistence that he is the national chairman of Labour Party, even when INEC says otherwise. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.